Hello and welcome to another one of our videos. We're doing a bit of DIY here, and this is a product made by British Gypsum. They make a lot of products like this, and the product we're going to be showing you today is the Gyproc, I think that's how you pronounce it, EasiFill 60. It's a filler and finish compound for general wall repairs, jointing and plasterboards. We have used this quite a bit already, and it's available from most DIY stores.
Yeah, stores.
It's not the cheapest stuff, but it is pretty good stuff.
You need some of that, one
Right,
of these, and a drill
drill for mixing it.
goes in the end of it. If you're using large quantity, you'll just use this for small quantity. That's basically it. Right. Okay. So we've got a patio door in. That's a brief of the project. We cut some beading, yeah, and I just want to feather it in. I've made up a little bit up, and I find the easiest thing to use sometimes is these things are used for filling cars. Filler.
Yeah, car body filler, yeah.
You add the water first to this. Don't add loads of water. You see what I've got in there? That's probably a couple of cupfuls of water. Then you add the EasiFill to it and mix it well and leave it a few minutes. This is how good this stuff is. So there's my, ignore that bit there. There's my beading, and all I do is that. Don't try and go for the perfect finish. You can just go over it lightly like that.
We want to add that we're not
Builders.
or plasters by trade. This is strictly a
just us.
DIY experience.
Yeah.
For the, the comments flooding. That's all I'm saying. But,
Actually, that's all I do, and then what I do, I'll let that go off. And where there's another little bit, I'll just put a little bit more over it. Not so we're not builders. We're just trying to do the best we can. And additionally, I'm left-handed, which doesn't help.
but you've used this stuff elsewhere, haven't you?
Yeah, it's really good stuff.
And the finish, without doing too much messing about with it, is we.
I mean, I've got one of them, but I just find it easier sometimes when you're doing a little job.
We had 2 pieces of plasterboard, didn't we, that we filled?
Yeah, you wouldn't
And
know
you
the difference.
you wouldn't know the difference.
You can't see the joint.
You can't
at all.
see it. See
And
it
that's
at all.
first time.
First time using it, so.
Yeah, and this goes off in about 60 minutes. Just feather it in. What I will do at some point is just do that with it. I'm just getting the beading in really. Anyway, let's just do one more little bit just to show you. Where are we? Just there. Okay, ignore the copper parts, it's a temporary reroute at the moment. I find it easy to do that. It's just me to push it in first of all. We'll probably do a couple of coats on this.
But you'll feather it in as well, won't you?
Yeah, you can see already.
Yeah.
Remember, this is a car used for filling for cars and doing body repairs, but I do find them really useful. They're so cheap to buy as well. Let's just do a little bit that side, you get the overall effect. This is so easy to sand as well. Anyway, you can sort of see the effect you get. If you want a quick and easy way of doing this, there you go. Just a quick.
Is there anything else you want to add to the video?
Well, it's probably quite useful to know. These are called tin snips. Yeah, I've had these years. It's a corner bead. Yeah, when you're cutting this, measure where you want it to go, end to end, mark it up with a pen or whatever you need to do. Yeah, cut in, turn it round, cut in, snap, bend it. Yeah, if you're doing the sharp edges when you're doing it, just cut in there. Just a little thing, if you've got pets and that, hold your hand under it because you get bits flying off sometimes. It just stops you catching your trowel or whatever you're using on it. Yeah, So these are called tin snips. This is called angle bead. That's called EasiFill. Yeah.
And you can get this from most DIY places, and this is a 10 kg bag.
If you're doing a big bucket full, get one of these. About £5 from any DIY shop.
Yeah.
Get one of those and a drill and just mix it. But if you're using a little bit, you mix it by
You can get a proper thing to do.
It's
that
brilliant
way,
for
can't you?
filling holes. It's EasiFill as well. That's 10 kg. I think it was about 12, 13 quid.
Yeah, it wasn't a fortune.
From something has a logo with orange and black in it. If that helps you. Okay. Thanks for watching.